This dance is called Café Del Rio. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance with 3 tags. Starting on the right foot, you're going to walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Into a mambo cross, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross that right over the left. Step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, then shuffle back on that left, 1 and 2 count tiger steps, the same as that mambo cross, stepping the left back, right beside left, stepping that left back again. That set of steps once more, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo cross, side, close, back shuffle. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on that right, then chassé to the left, put a quarter turn on the end, again 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, and then make that quarter turn left, stepping that left forward. That set of steps once more then, cyclo chassé off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo cross, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left. Into 2 half shuffle turns, so you're turning right. Again, these are 1 or 2 count timing steps. So your first one, quarter turn right, you step the right to the side, left beside right, quarter turn right, you step that right forward. And then your second one, quarter turn right, you step the left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn right as you step back on that left. Then just rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then, forward rock into those half shuffle turns, off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn with those 2 half shuffle turning steps in this section. Now we always say, where possible, do try and put the turns in because the dances look so much better when they are in there. However, should you find that it's making you feel dizzy or disorientated or you can't get it in time to the music, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So start by rocking forward, same as everybody else. Replace your half shuffles literally with just back shuffles. So shuffle back on the right, right, close, right, and then back on the left, left, close, left, and then just add on your back rock. So 2 back shuffles, take out those half shuffle turns, should you need to take that equivalent full turn out from that section. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo cross, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock. Shuffle forward on the right, 1 or 2 count timing steps again, right, close, right. Then rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right. Into a left-footed coaster step, so you step back on the left, right beside right, left foot forward. So those are 1 or 2 count timing steps again. Then step forward on that right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on that right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot. End of the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, mambo, cross, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, mambo, cross, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot, walk, walk, mambo, cross, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot, walk, walk, mambo, cross, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is your dance. Now there are 3 tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 2, 4 and 9. Your tags quite simply. Step into small steps aside on the right. You sway right, sway left, sway right, sway left. 4 sways, single count timing steps. So as I said, they come at the ends of walls. So wall 2 is your 3 o'clock wall. Your first tag will be facing 6 o'clock. Wall 4 is your 9 o'clock wall. You will be facing 12 o'clock when you come to do the tag. Wall 9 is always your 12 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 3 o'clock when you come to do the tag. So let's have a go at wall 4. Get to the end, add on the tag and restart. So at 9 o'clock wall, you'll be doing your tag facing 12. Walking forward up on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, mambo, cross, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step pivot, tag, sway, 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 walk, walk, mambo, cross, side, close, back shuffle, starts the dance all over again. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. Ends of walls 2, 4 and 9. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. mambo cross, side close, back shuffle, side close, right chassé, cross rock, chassé turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, here, walk, mambo cross, side close, back shuffle, side close, chassé, cross rock, chassé turn, forward rock, half shuffles, it's your tag walk, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot tag, sway, 2, 3, 4, walk, mambo cross, side close, back shuffle, side close, right chassé, cross rock, chassé turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, hip, walk, mambo cross, side close, back shuffle, side close, right chassé, cross rock, chassé turn, forward rock, half shuffles, it's your tag walk, back rock, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot, sway, 2, 3, 4, walk,
near the border of
side close,
Mexico. The
forward rock,
jukebox plays Negrita de mis
shuffle,
pesetas.
walk,
Con su rebozo de seda
side close,
que le trajo de Tepe.
forward
Yeah,
rock,
life is good at the Café
shuffle,
Del Rio.
walks, side close, forward rock, shuffle,
I'm
walks,
sitting alone at the Café Del
side close,
Rio. I was
forward
a
rock,
slave to heartache for a long,
shuffle,
long time. Tired of wasting my days. I could not keep living a lie. I did not
next tag
intend
walk,
to leave you, but I ran out of love.
tag sways,
In a small cafe near the border of Mexico, the jukebox plays Negrita de mis pesares. Con su rebozo de seda que le trajo de Tepe. Yeah, life is good at the Café Del Rio. Yeah, life is good at the Café Del Rio.
hope you managed that one.